What's up, guys? BA Fishing here. Today we're going to talk about what I fish with wherever I go, bass fishing and stuff. But what I'm going to start with is mostly my jigging rod. It's a Veritas rod. It's a 7.3 medium heavy, and it's paired up with a Shimano Cadius. It's a 5:3 to 1 gear ratio. It's the 151 model. This is a very nice reel. It's really smooth. It's just a great all-around reel in my opinion. That's about it for this one. My next rod and reel is going to be my deep cranking. I throw my A-rigs on it. Anything that's really heavy. It's a Abu Garcia Veritas rod. It's a 711 heavy, and I got it paired up with a Abu Garcia Max winch. I can't remember what the gear ratio is on it, but all of my other reels are left-hand retrieve except this one. But it's really nice. I just got this reel this year, and I used to use a 7:1 gear ratio with deep cranks, and it will wear you out bad. But that's my deep cranking. I would consider this my all-around rod. I would use anything on this one. It's a halo fishing rod. It's a 6.6 medium heavy. It has the micro guides on it, if you can see that. And these are really good rods. I bought this one last year from a fishing show, and I haven't had any problems with them at all. They cast good. They perform better than I thought they would, so they're really good. It's the Daylight series rods, and I got it paired up with a KastKing Royale Legend, and it has 11:1 or 11+1 bearings, and it is a 7:1 gear ratio. At first, I didn't care for this reel that much. I just wasn't used to it. But after using it for 6 months, 7 months, it's really been a good reel. I like them a lot. I've got 2 reels in all. I have this Royale Legend, and I have a KastKing Assassin that you'll be seeing here in a minute. But these are really good reels. I'm telling you, they're really good. All right, my last one. I got a Well, I'll tell you one thing. On any of my stuff, I don't have any high-end stuff whatsoever. I'm on a tight budget. All of my stuff, I don't buy the expensive stuff because I don't think I need it. I get these Walmart rods. Veritas, of course, that ain't a Walmart rod, or the Halos, but this rod and reel right here, it's the KastKing Assassin. It's the 7-3-1. Very good reel. I like it a lot. I use it on it's paired up with a 6/6 medium action rod, and I usually use it for my jerk baits, small cranks, square bills. Real finessey stuff is what I usually use it for. But I have it on a Daiwa Jupiter. But yeah, really, this stuff is really nice to have. Not expensive whatsoever. None of this stuff is. My two Shimano's, they was $100 a piece. The Abu, I think it was $50 to $60. I think maybe a little bit more, but not much. And the KastKings was between $30 and $60. So, and the rods, they range in between $25 to $70. That's it. I don't have no expensive stuff. I don't need it. But that was my fishing arsenal. I hope you liked it. Comment and share, and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time.